Good morning. It is my second video, especially how can we manufacture our product. I have stated earlier as well that success is as tangible, as visible as any other manufactured product in this world. So what I mean that how can we, before starting what I have to mention over here, I just want to give you simple sort of methods because I mean your job, your profession is just in the shape of raw material. It is not your success. By using all of these, I mean your education, your profession, your job, all these things, you can manufacture a remarkable success. You have to first look like a success. With 3 steps, I'm going to manufacture the final product. First, improve yourself by your walking, by your talking, by your action, by your dressing. Remember, the first thing people see are your clothes and your grooming. Research has shown that the one and only difference between successful people and unsuccessful people in this world is the successful people knows how to choose and use the words, when the unsuccessful people just do not know this technique. So in this way, improve yourself first according to your personality, your dressing, your grooming, your all, and then definitely it is a part of your personality as well. What type of words are used by you and how do you use your words as well, your communication skill, your negotiation skills, your talking, your walking, all these things are very important. So we want to be a successful person. First, we are clearing this concept. This education is not our success. Job is not our success. Profession is not our success. We are making now our success on the basis of these raw material we are carrying by this time. If we have this sort of raw material, for example, if anyone has no job, no education, no profession, so in the end we can say that no product will be produced as well. So when we have raw material, we have this job and this profession as well, we are making in this way. First, try to improve yourself and look like a success. So you not only must manufacture a more successful you, but your package must first show at first as a successful one, because when we are deserving something, we are getting something. So first in our in our appearance, we should prove ourselves that we are a successful person. It is a first step, and I'm sure that by your all concentration, by your working, by your interest as well, you will be able to do something, especially in your personality grooming. Make yourself more useful. I'm talking first, improve your personality, one, and second, over there, work on yourself, make yourself more useful. The only way you can earn more is to deserve more. The only way you can deserve more is to be more useful. Make yourself more, get more. As you know, as luck you have, what I have stated earlier as well, try to improve your knowledge. Ask, how can you improve it? Ask, I mean, you must know about that one. You write your own paycheck in life, and its amount is determined by your degree of usefulness. How much you are useful, you are getting the reward in the shape of pay, wages, and whatever over there as well. So improve yourself with your communication skill, your personality, your grooming, all these, and definitely with your usefulness as well. Try to involve yourself in different activities. Don't waste a single second of precious time of your life as well. Try to ask, don't use your mobile phone, don't watch television as well. Please watch, but very, very necessary. And try to work on yourself, because by these successful habits you can get a success as well. So in this video, I'm trying to focus about your personal qualities. What I have stated as well, it has a concern more than 85% of your success. Well, your success is depending on your personal skills. Working skills is just 15%. Personal qualities, you personally, are you having a good like successful habits carrying or not. If you are having successful habits, then you will be successful in the end of your all working. So what is by this video, we are trying to improve ourselves by these sort of useful methods. Try to make yourself more useful with your all concentration, and I'm sure that you will be successful as well. Thank you.